Yes, ballin' like Jim Jones, cause I'm on like Fox and Webby and Boosie, baby. Let's go. I don't really care what they talking about. I don't even know, but I don't care what they talking about. Let's just walk it out a million. Your girl Deshaun about to get it. I already won. I'm #1 up on the track. Just let's bring it back. You mad at me because I'm doing it just like that. These haters looking at me because they know I'm right, man. I'm getting paper, getting checks, and I'm a hype, man. Because it's so sick, like you already know. And if I mess up, I keep going because it come from the dome. Flow so sick, like Leo, you already know. They mad at me because I keep on hitting it up, bro. Just hit up my MySpace page, because you know I be the best one, a hot one, man. And you know just what it is while you talking, man. That's why you talking, man. Haters love my name. I guess it tastes good because it's always in your mouth. Then you keep on talking, I'm about to bring it down south. I done came from Cali and I done came to Texas. Since I've been in Texas, man, I've been driving reckless. 16 and I ain't got a license yet, but I'm doing what it do. I'm the hype one yet. Yes, these haters looking at me, they getting mad, son, but I don't care because I said that I'm the hot one. I rock yellow, pink, blue, and red too, and it don't matter, you can call me what you want to. Your girl Deshaun is a beast on the track, and I bring it right back. Yes, I do it like that. And these haters looking at me like I'm supposed to sit down. Chicks, sit down, get on somewhere. It's my turn now. Yes, your girl Deshaun is a beast, I said. And if these haters talking I can give it to them. That's that. Oh, for real, man? Oh, for sure. Oh, what you talking about? You do not know. Your girl Deshaun come around looking so fly now. I'm G5, too cool, too hot now. Same time, it's the contradiction to my name. Deshaun is hotter than the game. This the hotter than the game. But if you hotter than the game, how you in the game? I'm in the game because I got like EA Sports. Lil Wayne said he got game like EA Sports. So I'ma say I got game like EA Sports. Invested, baby, that's what they used to say. But now I ain't worrying about that old shit. Nah, let me go back. Let me bring that back. Okay, he ain't a bad dude. Yes, he's a good dude. He getting paper. He got a girl too. I got my nigga. We doing what it do. We ain't tripping off each other no more. That's cool. And people still writing me messages like, why y'all break up? Y'all was so cute last time. No, I'ma tell you this like this and bring it back to you. I'm not hating on nobody. I'ma give it to you. And if you want it, you can catch it. Meet me in the streets. I'ma give you my address. Go ahead and message me. Don't want these people all coming up to my crib. So if you want it with me, you can get it. That's why it is. Hey, I'm what that is. Hey, I'm what it is. Hey, and little mama better chill. She ain't this. Hey, she repping New York. Yo, I'm repping Cali and Texas. Driving reckless. Please believe it. Bestest. Everybody getting mad at me. I got a shout out to my homie and my bestie. Brandon, Jordan, Aaliyah, Miss Erica. Cause you know we doing it and we don't give a care. What? Haha. Nah, I'm chill. I think I'm gonna sit down now. One more. Let's go. Let's go. I said a million. That's what I'm finna be. I'm about to blow up. Yeah. These haters mad at me because my energy is just so hot, so hyped like Plies is. Yes. Who hotter than me? No, bitch. It's just me. Haha. Sit down, bitches, and take a lesson. Grab a pen and paper. I'm about to rep this mic, yes. I'm about to see you later. When you see me next time, I'll be on BET 106 in Park, hitting up that Freestyle Friday. They mad at me because they can't believe I made it. Yes, they hating on me, talking about I couldn't have made it. But I'm here now, man. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. It's your girl Deshaun, man. You cannot body rock me. You think you franchise boys, they gonna find your body. Messing with me, I'ma give it to you one shot, B. One hit to the head and you know you dead. If you keep on fucking with me, I'ma do it like that. Yes, I know I look good, so sweet and innocent, but the game is so sick and I bring you where I'm in. Hey, wait a minute. Let me chill. I need some water. Take the chill pill. Yes, your girl Deshaun is a beast. I said I'm on the track, man. I know I act a fool, but I'm just that, man. I'm like Pac-Man eating up these haters. And if you know what I'm talking about, I'm getting paper. Yes, shout out to my homeboy Brandon, because he doing what it do. We standing 10 feet tall while y'all 6 feet short. And we doing what it do, man. I am the more. Yes, I said the more. I'm the bitch done diva. Haters getting mad, they can see when I see you. Cause I ain't got the time for the games that you be playing. Unless you got the boxing, then you ain't gonna get it, man. Hey, I run up on anybody and get done up, not me. You don't think so? You think so? Then please run up on me and we gonna show you who the best is. I told you I'm a beast, don't test it. Yeah.